guys, how are you all today? Welcome back to my channel. Now in today's video, I am going to be showing you this really cool product that I want to try. I got it from Erica. It's this LED face mask, which really seemed very fancy, very attractive, and I was like, you know what? I saw like a lot of celebrities have tried this. Victoria Beckham, Kourtney Kardashian, Julia Roberts, even Indian celebrities have all tried this, and I thought, what is it that helps you cure acne, fine lines, wrinkles, rejuvenates your skin, does all of that, and why are so many people literally hyping it up? So I got this. This is the LED face therapy mask from Erica. I've tried Erica products in the past, so I definitely trust the brand. Helps in collagen boosting and skin hydration, and reduces skin pigmentation, prevents acne, acne scars, wrinkles, and fine lines. I am excited to give this a go because I know that I've tried a bunch of things and not a lot of things have worked for my skin, but this seems to be really promising. They've also given what each of the individual lights do at the back. So I am definitely excited to try this out. I'm going to try this out for a month before I give you like a final update. So first day is going to be today, then I'm going to give you an update after 2 weeks, and then after a month. So we're going to see how that goes. Before we test this out, I want to tell you that I have super sensitive and acne prone skin, and that basically means my skin is like, even the slightest thing would trigger acne. That's how my skin works, right? And especially with hormonal imbalances, with weather changes, and if I'm traveling, my skin does tend to react a lot. So I'm hoping this does give out good results, and fingers crossed, we're going to see how that goes. Just for context, I also want to show you how my skin looks right now. So this is day 1, and we'll compare it to my skin on day 30 or 31, whatever. But I'll be showing you. So I do have a little bit of acne here, some marks here as well, here. So you guys can see that my skin hasn't been the best, which is why I was motivated to try out the LED light therapy mask from Erica India. I would have to read the instructions because I'm new to this as well, so we're going to do this together. So the first thing is the user manual. This says Erica LED light therapy mask with eye massager, which by the way I forgot to tell you, this also has an eye massager. The lights and what they are for, instructions for use, and how to take care of your mask. Then we have the actual mask, which is nicely covered. So if we take it out of the packaging, this is how the mask looks. I love the rose gold color, by the way, guys. Absolutely love it. And it's got this at the back. Then we also have the cable, which you use to connect the mask to your source of electricity. These are the buttons which you use to increase or decrease the duration and the kind of light that you want. So that's about it. That is the packaging. LED therapy stimulates the changes in the skin cells at a molecular level, so it can help in improving conditions like skin aging, acne, acne scars, and hyperpigmentation. It also targets acne-causing bacteria to prevent acne in the future. So all of that does seem really promising, and now it's time to actually use the mask. I've already washed my face, so it's nice and clean right now. I am going to connect this, and then we're going to get started with the blue light today because my skin is mostly going through acne issues right now. So blue light would just be perfect for now. That is connected. Now using this, we'll be setting the light and the timer. So this has the red light, as you can see, but we want to change that. So we go here, we'll be using the blue light. Before starting, I'm just going to tie up my hair just because I want that to be out of the way. I am slightly scared, to be honest, because I feel like, obviously it's the first time I'm doing this, so it is, I guess, normal to feel a little scared. But we'll see how things go. The brand recommends using the mask for 15 minutes and to do this 3 to 4 times a week. I just hope I'm able to do it properly. Okay, let's go. That was nice. It was really calming. My eyes feel a lot nice, and I turned on the eye massager as well just because I felt like while the blue light works, what if I can get like 2-in-1 benefits, like my eyes are also getting massaged, so it does focus around your eye area and just slightly gently sort of vibrates. You can also increase the intensity, but I kept it to like the lowest one because I was just trying it out. But feels really nice, very relaxing, very calming. blue light was good. I do want to try out the purple light as well, because it says purple light is a combination of blue and red light and can give benefits of both lights. So the blue light, as I told you, targets the bacteria in the skin that causes acne. The red light can reach deep into the skin and can boost collagen. It helps reduce wrinkles, fine lines and acne blemishes. So again, acne blemishes are something that I do struggle with. So I feel like next time I will be using the purple light, and then we'll see how it goes. As for the eye massager, it can elevate muscle fatigue and dryness near the eyes. Really good, guys. As I said, it feels really nice and I just feel very calm and relaxed. So really good experience for the first time. It's safe to use as well. I've done like a whole lot of research before getting this, before using this. I went through a lot of articles, so nothing to worry about that way. Of course, using this just once is not enough, so I will be using it a couple more times and then I will give you a better feedback once I have tried and tested it for about 2 weeks. Hi guys, today is day 15. So I have been doing this for about 2 weeks and I've done it every alternate day. So they say you're supposed to do it 3 to 4 times a week. So if you do it every alternate day, it does come around to 3 or 4 times a week, which is absolutely perfect. I do see a good amount of difference as well in my skin. I wouldn't say it's a lot right now, like it's like, you know, super evident right now. If you were to look at my skin up close, which I will show you in broad daylight, in sunlight, you will see that there are still certain spots. There is still acne, there are still acne scars as well. So of course, this does take time to show results. I'm going to try it out for a month to give you an in-depth analysis of, you know, what did I like, what did I not like, how things went. But day 15, I am satisfied with the result. It has shown a good amount of difference. And I've also been using the eye massager, and you guys, my eyes just feel so much more better. I feel like, you know, when you're getting ready, when you're dressing up, your eyes play such an important role, because if your eyes are nice and fresh, relaxed, they look calm, you instantly look really nice and, you know, put together, really fresh, ready for the day. For me, because I'm in front of the screen a lot, my eyes do tend to get really heavy and they feel really fatigued. So this has definitely helped there. Credit where it's due. It has helped with my eyes, just making them feel a lot more relaxed and calm. My plan of action for today is to head out and I'm going to meet a couple of friends. We're going to a museum. But before that, I wanted to do the mask. I have been using the purple light for quite some time and I feel like that is giving me a better result compared to the blue or the red light individually. But of course you can use it individually as well if that's the only area you're targeting, as in the issue you're targeting. So today for me it's going to be purple. The eye massager of course is on while I'm doing that. So I have been connecting it to this, and then I connect this to my laptop just because I don't have a USB adapter over here. But this works really well. So we've got the purple light going. Guys, you know what I really like is you can just take a nap for like 10-15 minutes and have a very relaxing nap, especially with the eye massager. And then you can wake up and you can feel really nice and fresh. I feel like my skin definitely feels a lot fresher, a lot calmer, just relaxed. My eyes feel so better. God, I can't tell you. After a tiring day, this is like the best thing. So lie down, take a nap while this mask works its magic on your skin. That's something I really like. I have to give points here as well. I feel really nice, guys. I feel like this is just, it says therapy, it does feel therapeutic. I also like how this doesn't take too much time. So 10 minutes or 15 minutes and you're good to go. So that was it for today. I'm going to see you guys on the 30th day now. Alright guys, so today is day 30, which means I have been using this for about a month. I have to head out for college in about an hour, so I was just getting ready, but I thought before doing my makeup and everything, I will do 10 minutes of this. again, obviously my skin does feel a lot calmer. You guys can see, like, it's this effect that, you know, as soon as you take this off, your skin just feels so calm. The eye area as well just feels so nice and so relaxed. So I have been successfully using this for about a month, and I can say that it does help your skin feel a lot calmer, a lot better, a lot relaxed. It does help with the issues that it focuses on as well. So for me, my main issues were acne and acne scars, and I wouldn't say my skin is 100% healed or it's clear. It's still not, and there's a long way to go, but I do see a significant difference from day 1 to day 30, and I think that's visible even on camera right now. So that was my review of the LED face mask. It does work, it takes its time, but it is very calming, it is very relaxing, and it's a great one-time investment. You don't have to keep going to the salon, or you don't have to keep getting these facials and face thingies done, because all you need is this. I just want to take you through the benefits of each light, just so that if you're having any particular concern, you know what light is going to work for you and if this will be the right product to use. The mask comes with 7 lights, and each of these lights have their own benefit. The blue light helps in treating acne or acne scars. It targets the bacteria in the skin that causes acne and can improve the appearance of acne. For anti-aging, there is red light. This can reach deep into the skin and boost collagen. It can also help reducing fine lines, wrinkles, and acne blemishes. There are other lights too, like green light, which helps in soothing the skin and reducing skin pigmentation. Orange light gives your skin an even tone and improves the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. And then there is the purple light, which is a combination of the blue and red light and can give benefits of both the lights. Cyan light is a combination of blue and green that can again give benefits of both lights. The white light can be moderately helpful in preventing skin aging, and the eye massager comes with the vibration function and can heat up to 40 degrees Celsius to effectively alleviate muscle fatigue and dryness near the eyes. Instead of going for a lot of fancy clinical treatments, you can get one mask. You can buy one mask for life that will help you deal with 8 different issues, 7 lights to treat 7 different issues, and 1 eye massager. So that is a perfect investment. This also comes with a 12-month warranty, so if at any point something happens, you know, you're covered. It's FCC, CE, and ROHS certified. If you have a special occasion coming up, it is great for that. So you use it consistently for a period of time and you can start seeing results. But I feel like it's better if you incorporate it into your skincare routine like I have. If you're having issues like skin pigmentation, acne, wrinkles, fine lines, this does help deal with all of that. To be honest with you, when I got this, I had 0 expectations, and I was like, you know what, maybe it works, maybe it doesn't. We'll see what happens. So I went into this with like an open mind, 0 expectations, and I have to say I am impressed. There's a reason why so many celebrities, so many people are actually using this. It is because it works. If you guys are interested in checking this out, the link is down below, so make sure you have a look. Again, I do want to try this for a couple more months to see how effective it is in the long run as well. If you want to see the progress, make sure you're following me on Instagram, because I will be posting updates over there. My ID is right on the screen. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and leave your comments down below letting me know what other videos do you want to watch, and don't forget to subscribe because that always helps. And I'll see you guys next time. Till then, bye bye.